Just picked up this Prizm Fat Pack from our local card shop. Gonna be ripping into it. Looking for some Prizm rookie. Hopefully some Jayden Daniels, Drake May, Bo Nix. All the good rookies. Be a good one. So we get 5 Prizms in this. We got David Montgomery, Brian Urlacher, Josh Palmer, Daniel Hunter, Rashid Whites, Jonathan Allen. Our first Prizm here, Ivan Pace Jr. I don't know who that is. Saints, Willie Gay Jr. Brett Favre. Need a rookie here. Oh, God. Brian Burns. Here we go. Rookie. Jags. Oh, Killian Robinson. Yeah, Hype. Puka Nakua. Sly Tulatu. Yep.
Yeah.
Prismatic. And then Devin Gulp. Well, not the best one, but make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and keep on ripping.